Hi everyone, Dakota again from becomingaprogrammer.com. We're continuing our series on building a Hacker News clone in AngularJS. This is the first video accompanying part 5 of our series. In part 1 of the series, we covered creating an Angular service to connect to the Hacker News API. In part 2, we covered creating a custom Angular directive to display individual stories. In part 3, we covered AngularJS pagination with a library developed by Michael Bromley. And in part 4, we covered creating a custom Angular component to display individual comments using Angular filters to help out. And in this part 5 of our series, we're going to complete our custom Angular component that will display a comment. And specifically, we're going to focus on expanding its functionality by allowing it to display nested comments or threaded comments. This will be a good example of how to implement nested comments in AngularJS. To build out this functionality, we are going to need to cover the following topics. First, we're going to cover accessing the kids property on each comment object that we retrieve using our story-comment component. The kids property is one that we assign based on data we get back from the Hacker News API. Next, we're going to add in an ng-repeat to display all the child comment IDs in an unordered list within the story-comment components template. And then we're going to add nested story-comment components within each list item, passing those child comment IDs inside each iteration of the ng-repeat. And then we're going to add an ng-repeat to display all the comments attached to a particular story on the post show page. So that's what we're going to cover in this series, and let's get started.